Yes.
When I'm with others, I find it very easy to be loving. I can see the effect of love on them and I can feel it. However, when I'm with myself, the motivation to love myself is difficult to find sometimes. Do you have any advice for me or people like me?
Kora menyang bu pazu deba chebe kable ya shan zewe lo de yungu dus. Dene kora chikbo deba kable rangrang zewa cheche. Di shu kora le zidong che da kora zewa de le tu de tapshe shinda kalub na yo na se.
Susu zewa. That's a strange question. I think the very factor with survival is self-love. Without that, I think entire humanity,
The very fact that we are surviving means there is at some level, a sense of caring for oneself.
From the religious viewpoint, according to theistic, we created by God infinite love. So we all have the seed of love. And for that, firstly, love oneself. Someone hated oneself, then impossible to extend love to other. So in order to practice love, first take care of yourself. That must be there. And then I think Darwinian theory.
Even from an evolutionary Darwinian theory point of view, evolution is driven by, quest for flourishing.
So I think, you see, sometimes I feel, you see, there are some people self-hatred. I think deep inside, you see, out of selfish, I want to be something extraordinary. So when that did not achieve, then self-hatred.
So maybe there is a sort of a disparity in the expectation that you have at some level and sense of disappointment of that. And this is when some kind of hatred directed at oneself may arise.
I don't know. Maybe wrong. I don't know. Thank you.
You're right on. Thank you.